strategies-enroll.com. That's good, career wars. It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So today I'm going to give you the top 3 tips and tricks from a hiring manager in order to let you land your next job. So my first 3 tips that I'm going to talk about are for your resume. Honestly, your resume is what gets you in the door. Most people think it may be other factors that get you an interview. No, it's your resume because it's your actual billboard that speaks for you, even when you're not in the room. So we need to optimize these main 3 points on your resume in order to help you land your next job. So the first step I want to talk about is we need to optimize your header of your resume. And I know a lot of people, you simply like to just simply put your name and maybe your LinkedIn profile and maybe your address and phone number. That is correct. But right underneath that section, you need a dynamic header. So for example, when you put your name and then you put your address and then your LinkedIn profile linked and then your address. Right under that, you need eye-catching title. So let's say you're a project manager and you have over 5 years of experience. Then you should put under there project manager executive. And then you could put a divider and then you can say handled 5 million plus dollar projects or something like that. You need something eye-catching that's going to catch the hiring manager, the recruiter's attention. They need to know immediately upon looking at your resume that you're an expert in this and you have a skill set that they're looking for. Remember, most hiring managers take 6 to 8 seconds to review your resume. And that's honestly a little bit gracious. Some of them take even less time to look at your resume. They want to be able to quickly glance and see that you're an expert and you have the experience that they're looking for. So not only should you have an eye-catching header, the next step I want you to do is to optimize those keywords because a lot of jobs use ATS systems, which are applicant tracking systems, in which they're utilizing a little of a tracking system that also highlights keywords that they're looking for. So if they can train their ATS system, so if they are looking for a project manager, they can train their ATS system look for candidates with at least 5 years worth of experience, with the degrees, maybe with certain certifications under their belt, or they have at least 2 or 3 work experiences, and they can give it keywords in which they're optimized to look for. So what you need to do is make sure you optimize your resume with the keywords in the specific job or job industry that you're looking to take. So if you're unsure about that, I want you to use our great friend ChatGPT and put it in there and say, hey, please give me the ATS optimized keywords for my resume for a project manager that hiring managers or recruiters will be looking for. It will give you a list of at least 10 to 15 of those keywords in which you need to include in your resume. The key here is not to put them all just in a list. The key is to make sure that your resume naturally has it throughout your job experiences, throughout your resume. That way, your resume is highlighted very clearly in the ATS system that you're somebody who that hiring manager is looking for with the skill set that they're looking for. The last step, number 3, I want to tell you what you do in your resume is include clear action verbs and make sure all of your bullet points, or at least majority of them, are action oriented with a sensible win. What do I mean by that? I want you to not only say handle the team or manage a team of 5 people and increase profit sales for my company. I want you to say, handle the team of 8 and increase process improvement by 20%. Or you can say, manage the team of 8 and manage the team of 8 and increase process improvement by 20% and increase in revenue by over $2 million plus. You're going to add more action verbs and you're going to add a sensible win in which you accomplish. So, not just simple tasks that you do like answer phone, you're going to actually put in things that you achieved in that job title while you were in it. So, if you need a little bit more assistance on your resume in order to make sure that you can land you your next job, whether it's a 6-figure job or a trade job, or maybe even it's your first time even out to bat looking for a job, make sure you click the link down in the description. I have services on my website, legacycareersllc.com, not only to help you optimize your resume, but I also have $50 or less career courses that can help you land your first job or elevate you into your next job, even if it's with or without a college degree. So if you need any assistance, go to legacycareersllc.com. Most of my membership services are currently at a 50% discount. So if you would like to utilize any of these services, make sure you utilize the coupon code Legacy50 while you're in the checkout screen, and you can also get a 50% discount. So you can even get career services as low as $10 right now and get access to my full-blown career blueprint mastery course because it'll be $10 a month right now. If you need anything else for Warriors, please let me know. Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com.